Hello and thanks for joining. Today's topic is going to be an Excel 2013 tutorial. It's going to be tutorial number 13. And what I want to cover today is a couple of advanced functions called CountIf and SumIf. I wanted to quickly point out my website is www.10minutetrain.com. All these tutorials will be posted out there. And here's some other links that may be of interest to you, including the YouTube channel. Looking at the spreadsheet here, what I've done here is I've created a whole list of random numbers and 100 rows of them and 4 columns worth. And the way the CountIf function works, so let's assume that this was a huge number, thousands of different sales numbers that came in, and you wanted to find out how many 5s came in total. So you could do equals CountIf. I'm going to scroll down to CountIf. I'm going to hit tab. And then the range, I can click and drag like this. I can hold down my mouse, drag it over here, and then go all the way down to 100 rows. And then I can click comma. And then my criteria is what I want to match on. I want to count it if it's a 5. So I'm going to close the parentheses. And there you see there's 4 occurrences of 5. So now if I want to also see the sum of all those 5s, I can do a SumIf, and I can do SumIf, and then I can do parentheses, and then my range. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and do, I can type it in manually, so I'm going to do A1 colon, and I can see it's column D 100. So that's my range. Now I do comma, and you see I move to the criteria section, and I want to count all the 5s, and I close my parentheses, and there it is. And that makes sense because you have 4 5s, which is 20. So of course I could go up here and change this to any other number that I want to. I could look at how many 13s came up, 3 of those, and I could do the same thing here. How many 13s? I could sum the total of any number in here. And you see a couple of those. So that's what I want to share with you. Thanks for joining, and please subscribe. Take care.